Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online platform SH Moodle. This year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are planning to start our sessions via Moodle platform from June 2020. This session is an introductory session for the course Travel and Tourism Infrastructure, which is for the 5th semester students of BCom Travel and Tourism. This course is 90 hours course, and let's have a look at the course outcome. Course outcomes means at the end of the course, you'll be able to understand the concept of travel intermediaries. You'll be able to distinguish between the travel agency and tour operation business, their features, characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. You can also understand the functions of travel agency and tour operators. You'll be able to describe the procedures required for travel agency, setting up of a travel agency, and also you can understand the types of journeys, the cargo handling procedures, the ticketing procedures, and the global distribution system, that is GDS. You will be able to determine the time zones, flying time calculations, etc. Can explain the travel formalities and regulations needed for international travel, and you can also analyze the importance of tourism infrastructure and also the role of government in improving and preserving tourism infrastructure. So these are the course outcomes, and this course is divided into 5 modules. The first module gives an introduction to travel agency and tour operation business, its concepts, history, etc. Module 2 explains about the functions of travel agency and tour operators and also the steps involved in setting up of a travel agency. Module 3 explains the ticketing procedures, the types of journeys, the calculation of time difference, flying time calculation, and also the global indicators. Module 4 describes about the travel formalities and regulations needed for international travel, and also regarding computer reservation systems used by the travel agencies, that is the global distribution system, GDS. And the module 5 explains about the importance of tourism infrastructure, its meaning and scope, and also the role of government in improving and preserving tourism infrastructure. In this year, our sessions are planned via SH Moodle platform, which is going to start from June 2020. Notes will be uploaded in the Moodle platform, including PPTs, PDF notes, and also useful links will be provided. This semester, we'll be accepting online assignments. So you can submit assignments online and valuations will be done accordingly. Looking forward to have real classroom sessions at the earliest. And next, have a look at the books for references. You can refer the book given by the author Mohinder Chand, The Travel Agency Management, and also The Management of Travel Agency and Tour Operation book by the same author. And also you can refer the book by Jagmohan Neki, The Travel Agency and Tour Operation. And you can also refer the study materials given by IATA. Thank you, students. Stay connected and stay safe.